Alright, so we've put together an awesome search and gotten to our results. Now how do I access the results? Well, first off, you're probably going to want to make sure you log into your account. It's in the top right area here. I'm already kind of signed in, but the idea is you log in with your SJSU account login information. So you log in there, and that's going to tell you if it's available through there or through the SJSU catalog or another area. Alright, so my search, you can see in green where it's available. So it happens to be, all these results happen to be full text available. So now to access them, you can click on their title there. And it'll tell you a whole bunch of information about it. And while it loads very slowly, you can see here the full text is available at EBSCO Communication and Mass Media Complete, which we have access to thanks to SJSU. Now you just click on that, and it pulls up, eventually, the article you're going to be looking for in its complete form as it loads here. Now you can see it goes through different things. That's got a route through it. And it pulls you up into the actual database where it is. Then you click HTML full text there at the bottom. And ta-da! There you are. All sorts of different options for that.